TJ here. You know what's cool? Around Christmas time, you buy presents for people. You receive a lot of presents from people. What's even cooler sometimes is a rogue gift arrives a few days after Christmas, and you go, what the heck is this? I received a package from Amazon. I don't know about you, but we receive packages from Amazon freaking every day, which is kind of cool, but not kind of cool for the pocketbook. But a package came in, and it was labeled TJ Ferreira, which is different because I typically don't go by TJ on packages coming to me. So I go, okay, somebody's sent me something. Don't know who it is. But as soon as I started opening said package, I noticed a blue baggie inside. Now, I've seen this blue baggie before from Amazon, and I suspected, and I messaged the person, Jay Mundy, saying, did you send me a package? As soon as I saw a blue baggie inside, I stopped because I didn't know what was going on. I wanted to clarify, and he said, kind of maybe, yeah, could be. But he was surprised that it's the same blue type of baggie that was from last year. He purchased me a really interesting, fun gift. No idea what's in this blue baggie, but I like to make a video about it. And plus, like I said, it's a rogue package. It came on Friday, a couple of days after Christmas, and we're going to open it together. So it came in this non-discreet Amazon. Well, I guess it's not. It is just. It's not discreet, right? It's an Amazon package. I don't know where I was going with that word, non-discreet. Discreet? Non-discreet. Anyway, okay, I can sit here for hours and percolate on something and not move any place because I'm stuck on a word. Anyway, inside this box came a letter thing. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. I didn't follow that the last time that I remember, but we'll do that. And then inside this box is a blue bag. Now, this blue baggie does look smaller. The blue baggie that I think came with last year's was like a Santa-size blue sack. What color is the Santa sack? It could be blue because Mrs. Claus... Okay, I don't want to go there. I'm going to stop. Okay, you get my drift. Okay, who would have thought adult innuendo would come in at a time like this? But here we go. A blue, pretty baggie. And it does have a Amazon sticker on it with a nice, beautiful golden bow. Does this say anything on there? It is a little flapster. Okay, it says, hey, TJ, I figured the Retro King might need... Did I start this recording? I think I did. We'll stick with it. If I didn't, I'm going to have to do this all over again. I figured the Retro King... Retro King. I wish I was, but no, I'm kind of like the Retro Peasant. That's more appropriate. A peasant, and I've got a few cool things. A Retro King might need something new to read while sitting on his throne. Okay, now I get the king gist. But, peasants poop too, but we just don't have a throne. We have a hole dug in the ground to pee in. A Merry Christmas from Jay Mundy. Okay, so it for surely is a Jay Mundy ordeal. And so let's open this together. I'm guessing if I grab these two end strips, it starts coming apart like a bow. I feel like I'm working backwards from something. Okay, well, stop there, too. My mind's in the gutter today. I don't know why it is in the gutter, but it is in the gutter. Okay, so I stick... I'm sticking... how do you open this bag? I gotta stick my fingers and stuff in this hole to open it up. Okay, see? Now there's a hole. A big hole. And we're gonna go inside and... Okay, so this is a cute little blue bag. Definitely... It's a different size blue bag compared to the last time. At least it feels like that way. Okay, so inside some wrap. Oh, the recording's probably getting all fuzzy. Uh-oh. TJ Ferreira's Retro Computing Gadgets. So apparently there's another book in the hopper here. And the back says something. So I'll hold this here while I'm reading. Meet TJ Ferreira, a retro computer enthusiast with a love for old school tech. In these pages, TJ invites you to explore his world of vintage tech, where old school computers meet modern gadgets in unexpected ways. With a huge collection of quirky classic devices, TJ, that can be read differently too. I've got some quirky ass devices. Okay, we'll stop there. TJ doesn't always know how things will work out, but that's where the fun begins. TJ shares his love for vintage tech, diving into his collection of retro computing accessories, bringing us along as he figures out how these devices work. Or don't. Dun dun dun. Making for an often hilarious journey into the past. Join TJ as he I was going to read... it says figures. It looked like fingers, but join TJ as he figures out how to revive these vintage machines by connecting them with modern gadgets to see what happens. His popular YouTube channel captures the whole process as he brings viewers along on his lighthearted journey of discovery. If you're interested in blending vintage computers with modern gadgets in a way only TJ Ferreira can, then this is the book for you. With his unique mix of curiosity, humor, and trial and error, TJ will have you exploring the world of retro tech like never before. 2024 Spriteworks Press. And so there you go. So it's got a picture of me on the front. What was I opening at the time? It looks like a box that's a little beat up. And I'm holding, I don't know what that is in this picture, but it is me on the cover, bald as ever. But I have a beard there with some stuff. Okay, so let's open up said book and see. We'll look at a couple of pages together because I don't want to, in case Jay puts this on his, he's got a Spriteworks itch.io account. At some point, I'm guessing he'll put it up on there for people that may want to get the PDF version. I don't know. But here is this page, and it looks like a pretty picture of me. He's collected some pictures. This one I'm playing with a TIE. See, I call it a TIE fighter. Oh, the Texas Instruments TI people hate when you call it a TIE. I did that on purpose. Piss them off. I don't give a shit. Get ready to go on an adventure exploring TJ Ferreira's gadget collection. So it's got a picture of me. It's got a story about who TJ Ferreira is. So that's fun. I'm not going to read it all, but there you go. Let's. There is no table of Oh no, there is. Look at this. A table of contents with 110. Let me open this. Yeah, look at this. This is a huge ass table of contents. So somehow he has curated, we'll use that word, probably from my YouTube channel stuff. Android phone TAP loader, which is actually a nifty little device. I used to use that quite a bit. Atari data recorder, Atari disk drive. So he has collected some images and stuff from my videos. A TRS-80 MC10 joystick adapter, bonus gadgets, AverMedia video capture. So this is just kind of a collection of many of the tools of the trade that I use. And we'll go to the Android phone TAP loader. So he's done a screen grab here. I'm guessing this is AI oriented. I don't remember if I got an answer out of him before. I'm guessing AI does some of this. He probably says, AI, grab the essence of what this is, and it puts it in some words. We'll read one of them. Android phone TAP loader. To load TAP program files into a ZX Spectrum computer from an Android phone, you can use an audio cable to connect. So yeah, it's got some info, and then it's got a picture that's appropriate for it. Atari data recorder. I love the good old Atari cassette. You know what's tricky about the Atari cassettes? It is actually getting a signal to start. So you don't have to, you have to do I forget what the command is because it's been a little while, but you do the command and it gets something from the computer to start the cassette a whirring that I remember. It isn't just immediate when you push play, it stops, it stays there, and then you got to send something and then it starts and it does its thing. Atari FujiNet. Thomas Cherry Holmes will like this in case he watches any of these videos. I doubt it. He's probably busy doing FujiNet stuff or thinks I'm a crazy SOP. But anyway, yeah, FujiNet is a wonderful device. So this is a curation of many gadgets. Atari Gotek, Atari Harmony cartridge. So if you want to know and kind of get a recollection of some of the gadgets that I've used over time, this is a fun book. Thank you, Jay. Now I've got 2 books about me. I feel bizarrely curious. What's that TJ up to? What's he been doing? Is it my twin brother? His name's YJ, not TJ. YJ's a son of a bitch bastard. ZX Chroma device, ZX Chroma 80. So, yeah, a lot of fun stuff. So, again, I don't know if this PDF will be made available at any point in time, but today we'll call this a one-of-a-kind gift from Jay Mundy to me for Christmas. And thank you very much, Jay, for thinking of me. It came, like I said, on Friday, which was, 2 or 3 days after Christmas. So, it was an unexpected gift. Had no idea. And a lot of the Jay Mundy things come... Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to open this. It probably says, I'm guessing, the same stuff. But let's see if there's anything different in here. Scan the QR code to learn more about your gift. Okay, I don't need to do that. And then there's a receipt from Amazon that shows a gift bag and my name. And then a gift for you. And this is, hey, TJ, so I'll just show you this. This is what it comes with. And it just basically says, hey, this is who you're getting a gift from. So thank you very much, Jay. Like I was saying, stuff comes from Jay unexpected. He kind of is very sick. He's like an apple. Jay Apple Monday. You don't know anything, and all of a sudden something shows up on your doorstep, and you open it up, and you go, holy shit, it's a MC-10 game, or it's a Aquarius game. Out of the blue stuff kind of arrives from him. He's a tricky little guy. So thank you very much for this wonderful gift, and hopefully you enjoy the unboxing. I'll enjoy reading this book on my bed tonight and read through some of the chapters to try to remind myself, I own one of these things. I got to go back and play with it again. So thanks for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.